Today I'm going to show you how to fix your device is not compatible with this Android version. First, open Settings and scroll down until you get to System. Then you can click on About this phone to check the Android version you have. Then click on Update System, and as you can see, mine is already updated. If yours is not, you can click on Search for updates. Then we go back and we go to the menu and click on Applications. And then you have to find Google Play Store. You can click on See All Applications and search for it, but in this case I just have it right here, so I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on Force Detention and click on Accept, and then I'm going to Cache and click on Delete Cache. Now we go back and open the Play Store app and go to the menu and click on Settings. Now we go to Information and go where it says Google Play Store version and click on Update Play Store. And as you can see, mine is updated, but doing these simple steps, you will fix the problem.